Welcome to Vingar Sri Lanka channel, the voice of the people around the globe.
Over the last few days, even today, our land stands soaked in sorrow. Unpredictable floods have swept through villages and towns, leaving families displaced, homes destroyed, and countless civilians now face fear, loss, and uncertainty. But in the midst of this devastation, one truth remains: we must stand together. To my fellow citizens, let us rise with courage and compassion. Let us rebuild, support one another, and show the world the strength of our unity. As a proud nation, we have faced difficult situations in the past, and each time we have stood strong. Today we must rise again. Let us help each other. Together we can bring hope back to every home touched by these floods.